Hi, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here with the XAUUSD.com. I'm back again with our weekly free trade setup. One of my best setups for the week ahead of my weekly trading list. And this video, I'm going to show you exactly why I'm looking to take a position on the Euro JPY this week. Okay, the position it's open today and it will be closed by Friday if it triggers. Okay, so before we get into the actual setup, if you're new to the channel and haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so let's get into the trading setup. The setup I'm looking to take is a possible selling opportunity on the Euro JPY. Okay, and we're just going to zoom in here a bit. Okay, we can see we had this huge rally up here. Okay, this was a weekly trend here. Okay, then we had the break of the trend line from this weekly area here. Okay, this weekly area. Okay, you had the swing low, swing high, and the new swing low, and it actually took out the last swing high in the previous trend. So this is a very, very good area, possible area to be trading the markets. Okay, so the way I trade as normal is, as always, is I take a top-down approach. I look at the higher time frames and look for institutional supply and demand or support and resistance areas in the higher time frames. Zoom into the lower time frames for possible pinpointing my entries and evidence that market structure is changing and the markets are slowing down, coming into my area of interest. Okay, so again, we had this weekly area here. We had this previous weekly trend up. Okay, we had this previous area here on the weekly charts. Okay, we had the swing high, swing low, new swing high. Okay, this area here. Okay, we had the rally, pause, rally. If you're trading supply and demand. Okay, then we had the break of the trend line here. Okay, this area actually took out this swing low. We had the swing low, swing high, then the new swing low. So this validates this area. Okay, it also took out the previous swing low in the weekly uptrend. Okay, so a very, very strong area. And again, this kind of move down, it's only institutions and large players that can move the market down this much, okay, in the higher time frames. If we zoom down into the lower time frames, okay, we can see inside this area, we can actually pinpoint when the move actually started, okay, and it was around about this area here, okay, the 137 to 100 area, okay, 137 to 100, and this is where this breakdown happened, okay, to create the new low. And if we look at the lower time frames, as we're coming up into this area, okay, we can see like a nice 4-hour area just at the start here, okay. And see 137, 200 again at the 4-hour zone. You can see the market is okay starting to form some kind of resistance here. What normally happens is you can see the third attempt. This will likely break up into this area here and then sell off. Okay, because the market is getting very choppy as it's approaching up into this key area in the higher time frame. So that is why I'm looking to enter this position. Okay, I'm looking to sell Euro JPY, okay, at 137.3, okay, just inside that daily zone. Stop loss at 1, okay, we're going to go 130 pips, 138.6, and take profit at, okay, we're going to go for 132 long term, okay, break even. Okay, break even is once price goes to this level that I'm about to type here, 136.3. Okay, once it goes to 136.3, close 50% of your position and move your stop loss to the entry price, which will be 137.300. Okay, so that's a setup. Okay, sell at 137.3, 138.6 is the stop loss, take profit 132 and 136.3. Okay, if this triggers for me, I will be closing this position on Friday evening. I like to have all my positions closed at the end of the week for my weekly swing trades. Okay, so again, we'll just quickly flick through this trade again. Okay, we had this uptrend here. Okay, and we had this area here in the charts. Okay, then we had the break of the trend line. Okay, we had the swing low, then this swing high here, and then we had this huge swing low here. Okay, which actually took out this swing low and actually invalidated this area here. Okay, see we have the first test of this, and then this level here, then this level takes it out. So we're coming back down, and we're likely to see drop down towards here. Okay, so that's the setup. If you want to get access to the full list of trades and also access to the new DayTraderX Elite Robot Daily Service, which is an automated daily trading service, you simply click the link below. Any questions, let me know. Happy trading, and I shall see you on the next video. Well over to fxace.com.